In an unprecedented move, the United States is preparing to enact sanctions against an army unit of its steadfast ally, Israel's Israeli Defense Forces. As reported by Axios, US Secretary of State Antony Blinken is anticipated to declare sanctions targeting the Israel Defense Forces, Netza Yehuda Battalion in the near future. Allegations of human rights violations within the Israeli-held West Bank have prompted this action against the Netza Yehuda Battalion. According to the report, the battalion and its personnel will face a prohibition on receiving assistance or training from the US Army. This measure aligns with a law crafted by US Senator Patrick Leahy in 1997, known as the Leahy Law. The law bars American foreign aid and Defense Department training programs from supporting foreign security, military and police units that are accused of credible human rights violations. You can expect to see them in the days ahead, Blinken was quoted as saying by Axios following a meeting in Italy. The report further highlighted that the sanctions stem from the unit's activities in the West Bank preceding the October 7 attacks. These sanctions have reportedly incensed Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Sanctions must not be imposed on the Israel Defense Forces. In recent weeks, I've been working against the imposition of sanctions on Israeli citizens, including in my conversations with senior American government officials, Benjamin Netanyahu said. At a time when our soldiers are fighting the monsters of terror, the intention to impose a sanction on a unit in the IDF is the height of absurdity and a moral low. The government headed by me will act by all means against these moves, the Israeli PM said in a post on X. The report said that several other IDF and police units were investigated by the US authorities and will not be sanctioned as they remedied their behavior. So, who are the Netza Yehuda? The Netza Yehuda Battalion, operating within the Kafir Brigade of the Israeli military, was established to accommodate religious Israelis seeking to serve in the army while upholding their religious beliefs. It serves as a specialized unit primarily composed of ultra-Orthodox male soldiers. Many young settlers in the West Bank, particularly those leaning towards the far right of the political spectrum and unable to join other IDF combat units, have found a place within the Netza Yehuda Battalion. However, the actions of this battalion attracted scrutiny from the US State Department following reports of several incidents of violence against Palestinian civilians towards the end of 2022. The death of 80-year-old Palestinian American Omar Assad in January 2022 further intensified the US State Department's examination of the battalion's conduct. Consequently, due to incidents involving violence against Palestinian civilians, the Israeli government relocated the battalion to the Golan Heights.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.